So how much did you manage to raise towards Bernie's charity work? Well, for those of you who watched our series of Bernie videos, the middle one where he talked about his general life and the craze, he did tell us that he worked a couple of days a week as a volunteer at the end of life ward in the Luton and Dunstable Hospital. And we thought that was a great bit of work to support, so we decided to do this.
What we're going to do, whatever we earn for the first 30 days from this video, which to be honest is 95% of it, we're going to make a donation to the Luton and Dunstable Hospital with that. If that is all right with you, Bernie.
So how much did that all raise for charity?
Me charity work.
The video with the craze raised in the first 30 days £104.28, and we hope to sort of do a little bit more than that. So we decided to throw in the income from the first 30 days for the last video we did with Bernie on the remaining questions. That added another £25.75, and finally we got a couple of super thanks given to us during these videos, so we decided to put those in as well, and that was another £7. So that came to a total of £137.03, and to be honest, that still wasn't really as much as we hoped to raise. So the first video we did with Bernie, which was the one about Chop Shop and the truth behind it, that did pretty well. So what we've done, we've taken the chunk of our income from that and given it to this donation to bulk it up to £250. And as you can see, via Just Giving, we've given this to the Bedfordshire Hospital NHS Trust, which the Luton and Dunstable is part of. And the other good thing is, because we were able to donate it, we've added another £62.50 with gift aid. But that is all down to you guys. If you hadn't watched, we wouldn't have raised that money and been able to donate it. So that's a big thank you to you. And that's not the end of this video, because we just got the news that Bernie is doing an Evening with Bernie event. That's going to be at Rushden in Northamptonshire even. And that is going to be on Friday the 11th of July at 7:30 p.m. And tickets are going to include a pie and mash supper served from a London taxi which has had the roof modified. No, it's not that one that you're thinking of. It's not the Lee Poo and Bernie one, you'll be probably pleased to know. But it's actually from Ronnie's Black Cab, and they specialise in these kind of events and have turned this black cab into like a mobile kitchen. So if you want to get tickets for that, we'll put a link in the description below. And also, for those of you that are a bit more technical than me, what we'll do is we'll put the QR code on the end. So if you're watching on your telly, you can just scan that and that'll take you straight to the ticket site. And I'm sure Bernie will be looking forward to seeing you on the night. Well, yet again, thank you for watching. Really appreciate it, and take care. Blimey, got through a whole Bernie video without actually mentioning the book.